Hello, I'm just going to talk a little bit today about exhaustion in early pregnancy. This is something I am very familiar with. So in my 4 pregnancies, I always found the beginning bit totally exhausting. By 8 o'clock, I would feel that I had been run over by a lorry. So if this is you and you are feeling like this, then the good news is that acupuncture can be really helpful. So obviously you need to be getting more rest. So there is no point. Sometimes I see women who are, it's so hard. You're working full time and you're trying to grow a new human at the same time, and maybe you already have a child. So of course you're going to feel tired. And one training course that I did said that actually that exhaustion is just meant to make you lie down, because all of the blood needs to get diverted towards your uterus and to your womb to enable all the important construction work to go on there in the new person that you're building. So, if you're walking around and doing things, then all the blood is pumping to the peripheries and it's much harder work for you. And I also think that, the working day is not really set up very well for pregnant women. If we could all lie down and have a nap after lunchtime, I think, pregnant women would be much more productive in the workforce. But in acupuncture terms, tiredness during pregnancy, yes, you can feel a certain amount of tiredness is normal, but you should not be feeling totally exhausted and wiped out. So if that is happening for you, then your acupuncture consultation will focus on trying to work out where that deficiency is coming from. So for us acupuncturists, it could be a lung deficiency where you're like short of breath. It could be a spleen deficiency where you're just feeling so heavy and so tired. Could be like liver qi stagnation where you're just kind of really stressed and frustrated and exhausted. So all of those. I mean, if it's any of those that are going on, it's really, really good just to come in and just have a treatment with your acupuncturist. And also morning sickness or anything like that can also be treated at the same time. And it really does help. It's very, relaxing. It can de-stress you. You can have a little lie down while you're having your treatment. And it really does help you to sleep better. But your acupuncturist should also look at your lifestyle and talk to you about lifestyle changes that you could implement from now, such as maybe working from home and like cooking less extravagant meals or something that saves you some time in the day. So it's holistic. So it's encompassing not just how you're feeling at that moment that you walk into the treatment room, but also everything that's going on in your life at that moment and how that could be contributing to your overall well-being or lack of well-being.